This video I am making for all responsible person in ICICI Lombard because since I applied to claim insurance for my bike damage, still it is going on, but not approval is happening from your side. So this video I am making to make you sure these damages are to claim from your side. I think this is good enough to make you to understand what kind of damage is happened in this bike. This issue I don't want to leave here itself because the reason is for a genuine reason. This is the first time am trying to claim insurance from insurance company. Since 8 years I am riding bike, not this one. I have another one bike, but I was tied up with some other insurance companies, but till now I am never went to claim any insurance from any company. This is the first time I'm just tried to get claim because of the genuine reason. But I don't know, the person who are working for ICICI Lombard, they are not good enough to inspect the vehicle, and even they don't understand what is the mechanism of bike. The body of a human and a bike mechanism is same. People will eat food and water. The same bike will take petrol to live. So if one part of a bike is not working properly, the entire bike will don't work as a rider needed. The same, the body mechanism is also same. If your one organ is not working properly, so your body also will get some other trouble by the time. So let me show what kind of damages are happened in my bike. The all details are I produced through Hanif, not Hanif, his name is Sharif, but you guys are not enough to understand what kind of damages, how it's happened, how it look. But so the who are uneducated and who are not good enough to understand the problem in ICICI, this video I am make to show. Just to see. I think you can't see, maybe you can see. This one is the crash guard damage. If you come up, here is the fog light damage. These all may not come in the claim, I know, but also I gave these all details, all photographs Sharif has took. So here is the damage crashes, like a damper. Here is this handle damper. This one is the crash, and my gear lever was broken, but to make sure for urgency and in my life, day-to-day life, I need bike. That's why I fixed this gear lever. This is a new one. I fixed myself. This is the 1500 cost around. So I will provide this broken gear lever photo also, and along with this video, all damages parts I will provide. As of I provided through Sharifa, but I don't know who he is submitted or not. And main thing which I am going to claim, the T-stem. T-stem is how, like, we have neck. So like that, if your neck is not working properly day by day, your other parts also don't work properly. So same thing here also. See, this is the T-stem. This part, which two forks are connected. This is the forks connected, which connected to T-stem. This part is T-stem. This is the main. This is the neck. We can call neck. So here in neck we have two locks. Here is one lock. So if you turn the handle, it will lock here. The same thing another side I will show you. If you turn this handle to right side, it will lock here in this part. It will lock. So he see here. The thing is, let me show properly. damage part is this one. This is while fall down, this bend towards back. Clearly understand this is bend towards back. So there is a gap to lock. It will turn more. If I turn this side, it will turn more, and I will show you what is the issue in the another side. Here this fork will touch to my tank. This is the tank. So while turning from that side to this side it will touch, it is touching to the tank. So while touching, there is a mark, you see. This is what the mark. So this fork is touching to my tank because of another side my T-stem lock is bent. That's why it's touching to here. So you can see the mark here. You can see the mark here. While touching this fork to tank, this is the mark. So if you wanted to make sure, see, this side lock is correct. This side lock is good. This side lock is good. So if you turn this handle to that side, it don't touch to tank. I will show you. It don't, see the gap. It don't touch to the tank, and there is nothing mark in tank. You can see. Can you see? Any mark is there? No. The same way, if I am turning to that side, it will touch to the tank. See the gap here. I turned completely. If you have doubt, you can come to my place and you can check. Because you guys are not enough to understand the problem of a vehicle. See, it is touching. I turned completely. You can see my hand. It is touching to the tank. Okay, I will show you another side again. See, I turned completely. I am turning to this side. Check. Is it touching to the tank? No. This is what the main issue. So this T-stem is bent. So this complete bike is dragging to right side. I can't ride properly. So day by day what happened? My wheel alignment and fork bend also happened. You can see exactly from the front side the mudguard and the tire alignment. You can see the mudguard is little right side. It's dragged to right side, and this tire is straight. You can see. So these all problems only riders can understand. You guys people, you guys and your executives or whoever may be, you guys are not enough to understand the problem of a vehicle. So here this will cost around 6,000, not the 6,000, I think around 4 to 5,000 this system will cost. But nothing matter of the money. I can pay the 5,000 and I can fix it. But why the insurance company? Why the insurance company? You just give me the answer. Why the insurance company? I can fix it, no problem. I'm not a burden to make pay the 5,000 or 6,000. Okay. So I don't want to leave here itself this matter. The insurance company, I know you have some protocols and rules and regulations, but what is the agenda of insurance company? You have to. Why we people are making insurance for our bikes? Because in our critical situation we need help, right? Are you guys to help us? Think about the company ethics and agenda. So to fix this issue, I'm struggling since one and a half month, almost 2 months, but still it's not fixed. So this one I don't want to leave here itself. This is not the matter of money. This is the matter of business and the relationship between company and a customer. Definitely I am going to other company for insurance after this issue is fixed. But one thing is sure, I am not going to leave this issue here itself. If you have any doubt in my video or any photos which I am going to provide. If you have any doubts or issues, you can contact, or personally you come to my place. And check the bike. And if anybody is there in your company who is good knowledge about a bike, the engineering and functionality of a bike, please came with them and check my bike properly.